How to set up an auto messenger of 50 steps in less than a minute. Well, that is actually very easy indeed. For example, let's say that we create an auto messenger here, and I'm gonna call this auto messenger 50 steps only, so we can relate to it. And then I'm going to assign, let's say that I want to send this template every so often, but I want to do it 50 times throughout the year, or more than a year maybe. So for example, the first 25 I want to do it at 8 days, so I can put 8 days here, and I can duplicate this one 25 times. Okay, and so I have here, this one I can change to 0, so this will be sent today, and the rest is going to be 8 days. And then the last one, I'm going to put 25, for example. 22 actually is the one I use because it's 3 weeks and a day, so it goes into a different day. That's why the 8 here, because it's not the same day. If you want obviously the same day, like a Friday or something, well, then you can put 7 and it will be the same effect, and 21 here. And then I will put 25 more. So that's it. In this case, we have created 50, in this case 51 step autoresponder with one click that we can assign to one or many contacts at the same time. And not only that, we can save it in one of these buttons. For example, I'm going to save it in number 8. And what happens by doing that is that, well, not here because this is the simpler view, but in the advanced view we have these shortcuts, and this one, the tooltip says 50, right? So I'm going to click this one, and asking me how many days I want to start and how many days I want to start. So it can be 0 for today, or I want to start in 2 days or something, and who's going to be the sender in terms of the agent, who's going to be the actual person. And now it's assigned those 50 steps, and we can see them here in the view, and we can see when they will trigger automatically. So that's it. It is that simple. Thanks.